Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about grade 6 chapter 1 food. Where does it come from? So food, as we know, is a very basic requirement and we eat food daily. Different food we eat, and in different forms we prepare the food and we eat. So in this chapter let's understand what food is and where does it come from. See that the food what you are eating at home might be rotis, sabzi, dal, chawal, etc. You might be taking the food to your lunch box also, and your friend might be bringing idli, sambar, vada, and such food. Some of your friends might be bringing uh, Punjabi paratha and Punjabi sabji food. Some of your friends might be bringing Rajasthani food. Some of your friends might be bringing Gujarati food, Madhya Pradesh food, Orisi food, Assamese food. So different food items we can prepare, and we can list in table 1.1. Here you can see what do we eat. The name of the student you have to write, and what food items they eat they have to write. Now food, different types of food items, they are produced in different regions of the country because of the climatic environment. So in some of the part of our country, India, like South India, like Assam, rice is produced more, so they have their rice as their staple food. So when we cook rice at home, what do we require? We require raw rice. We put it in a bowl and we just boil it, and within 15-20 minutes you get the prepared rice, boiled rice. So that we require only two ingredients to prepare the rice, raw rice, and water. Like this way, when we prepare the vegetable curry, we require lots of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and so on. So let us come to activity number 2, that is table 1.2. In that table 1.2, there are some examples like roti or chapati. For preparing roti, we need atta and water, two ingredients. So from where does the atta come from? Atta come from the wheat. Wheat is grinded into powder and we get the atta. Dal is, when we prepare the dal, we require dal, boiled dal, water, salt, oil, ghee, spices, sometimes tomato also, sometimes some vegetables also are added in the dal, like sambar. So this way different varieties of food are prepared in different forms, and the raw materials may be same, but the form of food prepared can be different. Varieties of food can be prepared. So let's just come to next page, number 2. So what do we find? That some of the ingredients are common in the food items, and these ingredients, they, where do they come from? Let us understand, try to understand that. So some of the ingredients, food material and the sources. So some of the ingredients, they come from plants, and some of the ingredients, they come from animals. When we talk about, they give us milk, egg, meat, all these things. And when we talk about the plant food products, they give us the wheat, rice, pulses, fruits, vegetables. All these things, they come from the plants. So let us see table 1.3. Here, for making idli, they have ingredients rice. So where does the rice come from? Plants. Where does the urad dal comes from? Because it is a dal growing in the plant, leguminous plant, it comes from plant. Salt is a thing which we add in every, in a food material, and the salt we get from the sea water. The sea water will be dried off and the crystals of salt will be there. Those crystals are taken up and they are purified, they are cleaned, and they are used in packets, and we buy them, and they are used as a major ingredient in all the food items. And water, where do we get from? What are the source of water? It may be river, it may be well, it may be uh, some other purified sources like municipality water resources. and all such resources. The next is chicken curry. Chicken comes from animal, it's a hen animal, and spices they come from plants. The oil or ghee it come from plants also, it come from animals also, and water sources are river water or municipal water reservoir. Kheer, milk comes from animal, rice comes from plant, and sugar comes from, again it's a plant product. Sugarcane juice is taken, and that sugarcane juice is purified, crystallized into sugar. So like this way, when you make different items, you will find that most of the items they are from plants and animals. And these food items which are coming from plants and animals, they have lots of rich nutrients, and which keeps our body healthy. So this is explanation of 2 pages. Next video I will continue with the next chapter, rest of the chapter. Thank you for watching.